How to log in Credit Agricole Bank. Credit Agricole Bank, specializing in wealth management, asset management, and investment banking. First, download the Credit Agricole application from Play Store or App Store. Then click on Sign In. Enter username and password and click on Sign In. For web search Credit Agricole login on search bar. Then click on First link.
Click on Login.
Then enter your Credit Agricole username and password.
Click on Sign In.
If you forgot username or password, click on Forgot Username and Password. That's it. Thanks for watching.